Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Tips Africa. My name is Jenny and it's great to have you here. So, hey there, YouTube creators. Want to say exactly who's supporting your channel? Well, we'll get right down to it. But first of all, I want to tell you that whether you're a content creator, you have your first 10 subscribers or your first 10,000 subscribers, knowing your audience is the first step to building a strong connection or stronger connection. Okay, all right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to view all your subscribers on YouTube step by step. It's quick, easy, and can give you insights into your biggest fans. Okay, so some of you have been complaining about some subscribers that later unsubscribe, or people, those of you that do vibes, yeah, so you complain some people later unsubscribe after subscribing to your channel. Okay, so this is a way of getting to know your biggest fans, getting to know those people that are still with you. Okay, so if you're ready to level up your creator game, stick around, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's dive in. Okay, so guys, on your YouTube homepage, go to the top right corner where you have your profile picture, click on it, then go to YouTube Studio and click on it. All right, on your channel dashboard, you scroll down to where you have recent subscribers. Okay, then click on see all. Okay, here you have all your subscribers. Then you can decide to filter or sort it by date they subscribed, or the subscriber counts they have, and all that, or the channel. Okay, so you can decide to change the date they subscribe. If you click on it now, see the arrow is going down, which means the channel is going in the date is going in a descending order, which means from November down, or from November, October, so it's going like that. Okay, if you click on subscriber count, so the arrow is going down, which means it's going from the highest, from those that subscribe to your channel, those that have the highest subscribers, down to those that have the lowest subscribers. Okay, so that is how to do it. So this is where you have, this is showing you for subscribers, the subscribers you have for the last 90 days. So you can decide also to change this to last 365 days, to last 28 days, to last 7 days, or lifetime. Okay, so I just clicked on lifetime. Then you scroll down, it will show you all the people that subscribed, those that subscribe, not just those that subscribe, but those you also subscribe to their channel, and those you did not subscribe to their channel. Okay, so you can click on this arrow here which shows next page. Okay, so it will take you to the next page. All right, so you have your subscribers here. So that's how to see your subscribers, guys. All right, it's not so hard, just a few clicks. All right, guys. So, guys, there are some important things to note, okay, before you can view your subscribers. Okay, so you can only see subscribers who have chosen to make their subscriptions public. Subscribers with private settings won't appear on the list. Okay, so the second thing to note is that public subscriptions are controlled in each user's privacy settings. So not all your subscribers may be visible. Then if you are using the YouTube mobile app, the subscriber list feature is not available directly. So you will need to go to your desktop browser to access the YouTube Studio for this purpose. You can also use your desktop version of your uh, YouTube mobile app. Yeah, you can still access it through that way. So that's it for guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, it's so important that you comment. I really need your comments, and also subscribe, please. Yeah. So my next video, guys, will be on how to the things what I did to get up to 300 and something subscribers. Okay, just a few things, just a few clicks, that's all. Okay, so I will show you how I did it, how I got from I got 300 and something subscribers from 80 something subscribers. Okay, all right guys, take care, bye, thanks for watching.